all kinds of food. Butcheron. And on this coffee. And same. Yes, this is to you. And of course for Sarah, this is Chucky. Koichi pillows, wafer. What's this? This is money, peanut. So shampoo, mochi, of course, underwear, and this one, a lot of skincare, another one, skincare, and soap, whitening soap, and what's this again, the same. Another shampoo. Oh, this is conditioner. This is shampoo. Okay, and of course, it's there. And what's this? Oh. Ay, smelly. This is cook anchovies. Very smelly. Cook anchovies and pusit. Acne soap for salad. Lots of food. Banana chips. And again, this is Japanese green tea. And the slimming coffee. Yeah. And what's this? Oh my god, what's this? I did not open. Chockies. All again, Chockies. And what else? This is dried pusit from Cebu. Oh, thank you. Yeah, and that's all. And shoes from Marikina. That's our luggage from the Philippines. The other one here, and the other one here, and the other. Ayan.